wabarakatuh. Well, just tell us about today's blood donation camp.
Okay, so today's blood donation camp is organized by Arjun and Vivek and basically the Hanuman Club. They've been doing this on a regular basis, and it was always that I helped them out. So they approached me, and it was actually something that we had to do because we were told by the party that we would have to organize a blood donation camp to help GMC, because once the vaccination between 18 to 45 started, you can't really donate blood for about 28 days to a month, and GMC, the blood banks would go empty. So that's why we were asked to organize this in each constituency. And that's how this has happened, and I think so far it's going quite well right now. We've had crossed about almost 10 or 15 as of now, and we're hoping to get at least about 75 to 80 people by the end of the blood donation drive.
You have also given donated blood today, so what is wrong?
No, it's like you donate blood and save a life. So that's the reason I've done it, and it's for the same reason that everybody is here today, to make sure that there's enough supply of blood at GMC, and don't fall short of blood, especially at a crucial time like this.
So what do you have to say a message as the pandemic is rising in Goa? What is your message to people to come, not to come out and
Well, I would just like to tell people to stay safe, stay home as far as possible, follow the norms of washing your hands or sanitizing your hands, wearing a mask at all times, and also to help the government, because the government, as I see it, is doing the best they can. I think it's our duty also to help the government to make it successful. So that would be my message. Stay home as far as possible, and wash your hands, wear your mask. Thank you.
I say Talegaon blood donation camp will also taking something.
No, this is a program in the right direction, because blood can save someone's life, and we don't need to wait for the last moment to look for blood. So we are helping the government, because in this pandemic there are a lot of scenarios, there are a lot of cases where we cannot do anything. We are doing a bit of helping the government hospital, the GMC, who is undertaken helping us to take this blood donation. And I would like to thank Madam and Hanuman Sports Club. These youths are very productive. They do it every year. And I request everybody, I mean the people of, not only people of Talegaon, but all over, to donate blood so that helps someone in need.
आयज आमकां खबर आहा की काल बेडाची कमी आहा. आयच्या दिसा पळय जाल्यार ऑक्सिजन कमी आहा, पूण फाल्यांचे हे दीस येवपाचे आहा की त्या जाग्यार रगतूय कमी जावपाचें आहा. कित्याक आतां वॅक्सिनेशन स्टार्ट जावपाचें आहा, आनी वॅक्सिनेशन एकदां जाल्या उपरांत एक मनीस 28 फुडले 28 दीस ब्लड डोनेट करूं शकना. सो त्या गरजे खातीर आमी सगळ्यांक अपील केलें तालिगांवकारांक और ओवरऑल की बाबा तुमी येवचें आनी ब्लड दिवचें. कित्याक आयज आमकां गरज आसा, फाल्यां लोकांक गरज आसतलीच. कळ्ळें? सो लोकांक एक रक्ताची शॉर्टेज पडूंक जायना, आमी हो इनिशिएटीव घेतिल्लो आसा.
तुमचें नांव?
विवेक भंडारी. थँक्यू. इनिशिएटीव घेतिल्लो आसा हनुमान स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान. तांचो प्रेजिडेंटूय हांगासर आसा, अर्जून कदम. सो तोय तुमकां एक दोन उतर सांगतलो.
हो जो आमी आयज कॅम्प घडोवन हाडलेलो आहा, कित्याक पॅन्डेमिकान पळयता तुमी ऑक्सिजन कमी आसा, बेडां कमी आसा. फाल्यां अशें जावंक जायना की ते रगतूय कमी पडटा म्हणून. सो तेज्या खातीर आमी हो घडोवन हाडलेलो आसा. थँक्यू.
Blood.
blood and what are your priorities for this?
Due to COVID pandemic, there is shortage of blood. As many institutions, colleges are closed down. The main source was the student from the colleges. Now this type of organization organizing blood donation camp for the patients who are in need presently in the GMC and in other hospital. Now those who have donated this, those who have taken vaccine, they cannot donate for 28 days from last vaccine. Also those who have COVID positive, they cannot donate for next 28 days. So after 28 days they can donate, provided they are healthy. Second thing, now because of COVID, we are in need of donor who are COVID positive and who can donate plasma for the COVID patients. So it is very essential that those people who have COVID in last 3 to 4 months, they should come to blood bank and donate their blood or plasma. So that can be used to the patient. Now what happened that we give this plasma to the patient. In the plasma contain the antibodies which fight against the COVID virus. Once a vaccine is given, antibodies slowly develops. It takes some time. So even after vaccination, the one who receives vaccine can get COVID infection. But it will be mild because of the vaccine will create a memory against the antigen, or that is virus, and immediately the body will start generating antibodies. So my request to all the people who are above 45, kindly take vaccine. That will save you, and also we will also get proper blood supply. If you are sick, if you get COVID, we will not get blood. So my request to all the people who are above 45, kindly take vaccine. It is safe. I have also taken my 2 doses and I didn't have any side effect of the vaccine.
Is this sufficient blood available as present now in GMC?
Presently, the load of patient has decreased. So we are managing with the available blood. So we give the priority to the patient who urgently required to undergo operation or taken, those operations are done. But those are planned surgeries, we can wait. Those are not taken at presently. Also, many organizations have started taking interest in organizing blood donation camp after our appeal to them. So we have presently enough blood. But still the stocks are low because obviously the donors used to come earlier to blood bank or to camp, the size decreases because of the fear.